Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up TikTok Ads Manager or business account in 2025. First you have to go to the link that I leave down below in the description. Or you can simply search for TikTok for business. And once you get to this page, you should now click on Get It Start button, and now it will ask you to enter your own email and password in order to create the account. Or you can simply click on use phone in order to use your phone number. But in case, I will choose my email and you should type the password right here. And the password should contain letters, number and special sign or samples. After that, click on continue. I forgot to tell you that you can also sign up with TikTok itself. Now it will show you a puzzle. You will have to solve it. Select two objects that are the same shape, then click on confirm. Then now you have to confirm your email. You should go and open your inbox of your email, then type here the confirmation password for the OTP. And here you will have to enter all the details. You have to choose the industry. Let's say I will have these three computers. Then here the business name GPhone for example. This is just for the administrator, and here you will have to enter the mobile phone number and you should check this inbox down below, right? Then click on get it started and now it will show you here to this page. Now you will have to enter all the data including the full name, email, industry, phone number and monthly budget. I will type here this monthly budget, then he should select the platforms. Let's say that I will select TikTok for example. Then add Google, add anything that you actually advertise on the country. Here I will choose anything. Just let's say France for example. Then he should enter the full name. Then click on next and after you will enter all those details. Here you can see that you have submitted successfully. Now they will contact you as soon as possible until the exactly if your request is approved or not. But in most cases, they will apply for your request and after that you will be able to use your own account in order to advertise on your TikTok account and reach many audience.